You will be amazed by this 2018 Toyota Camry. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 30,000 miles on the odometer. Find the sweet spot where luxury meets convenience when you take the wheel of this alluring, standard-setting Camry. It's the sedan designed around you, your comfort, your safety, your driving pleasure. You'll be amazed by its cutting-edge technology, fall in love with its exquisite looks, and be thrilled by its muscular power. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, power driver's seat, electronic stability control, blind spot monitor, aluminum wheels, Bluetooth connection, traction control, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, passenger vanity mirror. Why settle for anything less than excellence? This Camry has all the features you want and need. We'll toss you the keys and help you start an exciting new chapter in your driving story.